It is the 23rd of August, 2020. I don't know what time it is. It's like 10:17 at night. Lightning and rain. They are ruining our crops. We just knocked everything down. That's the last thing that an almond farmer needs is rain on the almonds. This is stupid. Pardon my French, guys. But I'm facing the barn. There's the south side, there's the north side. The whole sky is just lighting up. I'm hoping to catch it. This is just crazy. I was just sitting here, just chilling in the house, and all of a sudden, I just started hearing it sounded like, I don't know, like somebody grabbing BBs from a BB gun, and they were on my roof, and they were just dropping them, and they were just falling. So I came outside, and it's raining. The whole roof, you guys can see, the roof is wet. There's a dry line right there. The whole roof is wet. All my rocks around me are wet. Oh, did you guys see that? I got that. I'm waiting for the thunder. Wait for it. Gosh, I hope the microphone caught that. That is insane. There was no sunset today. There was so much smoke, it was ridiculous. The smoke just rolled in like at, I want to say 3. And it just totally enveloped the sun. It turned it white. It was white smoke. Oh, and the planes were flying over and they were doing spots. So yeah. This is weather warfare. This is sabotage for the farmers. First the smoke, then they chemtrail, and now all of a sudden we got rain with thunder and lightning. Nah. I checked the forecast. This is no. Oh, great. I totally forgot about my grapes. This is going to ruin so much for me making wine this year. Oh, man. I'm in the middle of picking. I don't have time to cut these grapes and get them pressed. I might be able to get them and put them in a food processor and just put them in the fridge. Hopefully they don't ferment. Waiting for another one. Oh, it just let up. My wife was just out here and just before I grabbed the camera, she goes, "Get out here." And just right when I walked out the door, she said that there was 3 lightning bolts that went across the sky sideways, not straight down. We're talking horizontal. Wish I would have been out here in time to record it. Oh, that was intense. That almost blinded me for a second. Wow. And I don't even know how to slow this down. If anybody can, slow it down on the replay. Put your quality up as high as it'll go and replay it like half speed. See if you guys can see. This is insane. I'd go up on the roof, but the ladder's wet. I don't want to slip and snap my neck. So yeah. All right. Be safe. Peace out. All right. I'm back on the roof. I just missed one right when I walked up here. Let's see if we can get another one, if time permits, on the phone. Oh yeah. Did you guys see that? That is northwest. Listen for it. That was orange-ish red on my camera. Wait for it.